Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ang topic po natin this week at next week ay tungkol sa credit score. Pag-uusapan po natin kung ano-ano ang mga bagay-bagay na makakaapekto sa inyong credit score. 5 parts po yan, namely payment history, which is about 35% of the score, amount owing, 30% of the score, length of credit history, 15% of the score, credit inquiries, credit checks, 10%, and then mix of the credit mix, 10%. Ngayon po, pag-uusapan po natin yung first 3 and then the last 2 the next week. Okay po, una po ay payment history. Pinakamataas po ito, which is about 35% po ng inyong score. Mataas po ang impact sa score ninyo kung merong creditor na pinadala kayo sa collection agency, meron kayong late payment, meron po kayong past due. The more items na past due, the worse it is. I'm going to give you tips on how to raise your credit score. First, very important, pay your bills on time. Kung hindi nyo po ma-afford na i-pay on full yung on the day it's due yung balance, please just pay the minimum and then you can pay the rest of the following day, the following weeks. Huwag po ninyong iisipin na since babayaran nyo naman in full next month, if fully pay mo siya, it's gonna be fine. Kahit i-fully pay nyo po siya next month, nakarehistro na po na late payment nyo sa inyong credit history and it's gonna stay there for 6 years. 2. Any delinquent payment or collection item, napakalaking bawas po sa score. So, say you have a Rogers bill, cell phone bill, Telus bill, Hydro bill, Fitness World bill na ayaw yung bayaran because nakipag-away kayo sa kanila. Hay nako, bayaran nyo po muna. After you paid it, then you fight. Kayo po ang maapektuhan kung magmamatigas kayo at sasabihin ninyo na hindi naman nyo kasalanan, kaya hindi nyo siya mabayaran. Hindi naman po sila bababa ang credit score. Kayo. So please make sure you pay it first and then fight. Don't be a hero. Number 3, if you missed a payment, correct it right away and stay current. The longer you pay your credit on time, their score will improve. Pero remember, if you had a history of late payment and then you were current for a while, tapos by accident na late ka ulit, mas malaki ang ibababa ng score ninyo nun dahil meron na pong history from before. 4, kung meron kayong collection item sa inyong credit history, sorry to say, mag-i-stay yan sa inyong credit report for 7 years. Let's talk about the second factor, which is amount owing on your credit cards, which is about 30% of your score. This means all your accounts, kahit ilang credit cards with balances, and kahit magkano ang balance in relation to the credit limit. So, tips on how to raise your credit score in this category. Dapat po, yung balance ninyo sa credit card ay 2/3 or even half of the limit. The closer to the limit, the lower the score. Next tip, do not close your unused credit cards to raise your score. Kung hindi nyo ginagamit and then you close it, it will not have any impact sa score ninyo kasi wala namang history yon. Number 3, very important, huwag kayong mag-a-apply ng new credit card pag hindi nyo naman kailangan. Para lang marami kayong available credit. Makakababa pa nga yan ng inyong credit score because it means you are an active seeker of credit. Let's talk about the third factor, which is length of credit history, which will affect about 15% of your score. This means gaano katagal na open yung credit card. The longer the time that you have had the credit card, the better the credit history and the score. So, kung gusto niyo mag-close ng credit card, mas magandang i-maintain yung matagal na ninyong hawak. Huwag niyong i-close yung matagal, tapos i-keep yung bago. Second, huwag kayong mag-open ng maraming new accounts too rapidly. Remember, Equifax will check the new accounts average age. So, the more naman new in relation to the ones that are long, then it will have a larger effect sa credit score nyo kung wala namang ibang credit information. So, average length of credit is important. This is the first installment of our series on your credit score. Know it, protect it. Please wait for the next installment next week.